Hi, I'm Jen
And I'm Steve-O.
from Two Can Travel.
And so can you. We're diving into the world of house sitting and pet sitting. There are a lot of platforms out there to match up homeowners and house sitters. Today, we're going to tell you about your options and which ones we think are the best.
Here's what we'll be looking for from each of the platforms: their reach and availability. Are there a lot of house sits available? Is it country specific or international? How large is the user base? Do new house sits become available regularly? Are there house sits of different lengths?
We're also going to be looking at usability and the user interface. Just how easy is it to find a suitable house sit or house sitter? Is it possible to narrow your search and create alerts for when new house sits become available? How easy is it to filter for what you're looking for? Does the website look nice? Are there any provided materials to help the homeowner and the house sitter make the transition easier?
We're also going to look into the safety features each platform offers. Do they require background checks? What sort of documents do homeowners and house sitters need to provide to create a profile? These websites are about meeting strangers on the internet, after all.
First up, we have Trusted Housesitters, which was founded in 2010. We've been using Trusted Housesitters to find house sits all over the world for the past 4 years. In fact, we're at a house sit right now.
This is Buzz. He's our current house sitting charge. Say hi, Buzz.
Hi, Buzz. He's helping.
Thanks, Buzz. We really like how easy it is to navigate the Trusted Housesitters website and find suitable house sits all over the world. There's also a lively community forum that is frequently updated with questions from the community and announcements from Trusted Housesitters.
Trusted Housesitters also makes it super easy to apply for house sits. We made a whole video to show you how it works, which you can check out right here.
Sometimes we scroll over different parts of the world and see what different house sits are available just for fun. There are usually thousands of house sits available at any one time.
The one knock against Trusted Housesitters is that it is one of the most expensive house sitting platforms out there. They also charge homeowners to list their homes, something that other platforms do not.
Homeowners pay $129 for the basic plan, $199 for the standard, and $259 for the premium. House sitters pay $129 for the basic plan, $169 nice for the standard, and $259 for the premium. A combined membership is $189 for the basic, $229 for the standard, and premium is $319.
We'll leave a link below that gives you 25% off any Trusted Housesitters membership plan.
That may sound like a lot of money, but when you compare even the most expensive premium membership on Trusted Housesitters with even one night in a hotel or an Airbnb, we think the membership is a steal. One of the things we appreciate about Trusted Housesitters is that their standard and premium plan include accident and third-party liability insurance. Trusted Housesitters is the only house sitting platform out there that offers insurance to the house sitters and the homeowners.
All Trusted Housesitters members are required to go through a third-party background check, which is included in the cost of your membership. It's an easy and quick process, and something that should put everyone more at ease when it comes to meeting strangers on the internet.
House sitters and homeowners agree to and confirm the house sit through the Trusted Housesitters website.
Both parties leave reviews for one another after a house sit is completed.
A look at the Trusted Housesitters world map shows that there are around 6,700 house sits available all over the world.
Trusted Housesitters has by far the largest user base of any house sitting platform. We've done some incredible house sits through Trusted Housesitters at amazing homes all over the world. We've made lots of furry and human friends, and we love using the Trusted Housesitters website and app to find house sits.
You can also save 25% off any of the Trusted Housesitters memberships if you use the link in the description box below.
Mind My House. Mind My House started in the UK in 2005 and has been bringing homeowners and house sitters together ever since. Mind My House has a good-sized user base, and there are house sits available all over the world. They have a map of all the available house sits, which is easy to use and fun to play around on. Mind My House has a private messaging system on their website where homeowners and house sitters can connect and work out the particulars of the house sit.
Mind My House is free for homeowners to join and only $29 a year for house sitters. They also offer a dual homeowner house sitter membership that is also only $29. A quick look at the world map on their website shows that there are around 300 house sits available worldwide.
Mind My House makes it clear that they are just bringing homeowners and house sitters together, and that the two parties should create a contractual agreement between themselves. Luckily, Mind My House provides a very long and detailed contract that they can use. It also works as a welcome guide and a checklist for things to go over between the homeowner and the house sitter before they start the house sit. It's actually quite impressive, and it's free.
They also encourage house sitters to go through police background checks to show the homeowners. They provide links on their website to help you get the process started, but you'll have to pay for and go through the process by yourself.
The website also has an extensive FAQ section which covers just about any questions you could have about house sitting.
Overall, Mind My House is pretty impressive for only $29 a year.
Nomador. Nomador's rates are the same for house sitters and homeowners. It looks like they don't offer a house sitter homeowner combo plan, so if you want to do both, it looks like you'll have to sign up for both.
On Nomador's website, you can see the world map and check out all of the available house sits. It appears that Nomador has a lot of house sits all across Europe. Interesting. Nomador has a unique feature where homeowners will offer to host a traveler for a night, which they call stopovers. It's kind of like couch surfing, I guess. We haven't seen that option on any of the other house sitting websites, so that's pretty cool. However, it also appears that the numbers you see on the world map include those stopover opportunities and not just house sits, so these numbers might not be as good as they appear.
You can check out the house sit opportunities on Nomador for free by clicking around on their website. But to see more pictures of potential house sits or to bookmark them, you have to register. Registering is free, but you'll need to be a paying member of Nomador in order to apply for house sits or to list your home.
Nomador asks homeowners and house sitters to submit identifying documents about themselves, things like driver's license and passports. These are added to what Nomador calls their Trust Index, which are the requested ID documents which have been submitted and verified.
Nomador also has endorsements and recommendations that house sitters and homeowners can leave for each other at the end of a house sit to show their skills and aptitudes.
Next on our list is Housecarers. As you can see, you can find all of the same options for narrowing your search for dates, house sit length, and different locations.
On Housecarers, homeowners do not need to pay an annual fee to list their homes. However, there is an option to pay $25 to get a premium homeowner profile, which gets you some social media sharing perks that may help you find a house sitter more easily.
For the house sitter, browsing and setting alerts is free, and the homeowner can contact you directly if they want to, but to actively apply for house sits, the house sitter will have to pay a $50 annual fee. Then you can set up your profile and add verifications and recommendations and start applying for house sits.
Checking the available house sits on Housecarers is free for anyone who wants to take a look. Scrolling through the available options, you can see that there are just about 125 house sits available right now.
Housecarers asks for a few pieces of identifying information from their members. Things like driver's license, passports, and cell phone numbers add to your verification points. Homeowners and house sitters can also leave each other reviews after the completion of a sit.
The website certainly isn't very flashy, but it is a cheaper option, and Housecarers has been around since 2000, so they must be doing something right.
Housitters UK, Housitters Canada, Housesitters America, Kiwi Housitters, Aussie Housesitters. Most house sitting websites offer house sits all over the world, but if you're looking to narrow your search, fear not.
Housesitters America, Housesitters Canada, Housesitters UK, Aussie Housesitters, and Kiwi Housesitters all put together homeowners and house sitters in their respective countries.
All 5 of these websites are associated with one another, but operate as separate businesses. That means you'll have to sign up and pay for each website individually. However, after signing up for one of the sites, you can get a discount on your second, or third, or fourth, or fifth membership.
You can do all of the normal things that you would expect from any house sitting platform, like searching for homes to house sit, narrowing down your search, and looking at photos of the homes and pets. The house sit availability varies from country to country.
All of these platforms are free for the homeowners to use and promote their house sits on. Potential house sitters have to pay an annual fee that is charged in the local currency for each platform. The prices range from around $36 to $56 a year.
All of the websites offer ID verification through a third-party company that gets you an ID verification badge on your profile. The ID verification is not mandatory, but it does help your profile stand out when you're applying for house sits.
Only the main applicant on the profile needs to file for the ID verification. The ID verification is transferable between the different sites, so if you do it once, you don't have to do it again. The ID verification costs around $5.
Homeowners and house sitters give reviews after each house sit, and those are also transferable between the websites. So if someone in the UK has something nice to say about you, you can let the people in Canada know about it.
The websites let you know that they are only creating a space where homeowners and house sitters can find each other. Once the two parties make contact, it is up to them to figure out the particulars.
Housesit Match. Housesit Match is a UK-based house-sitting platform that has an international reach. However, a cursory glance at their website shows that most of the sits are available in the UK and around Europe.
Navigating to find house sits is relatively easy. You can narrow your search through keywords and destinations and see the house sits listed by the order in which they were added to the website. There's also an option to see only the house sits currently available.
Housesit Match has an annual fee for both house sitters and homeowners. Paying for a premium membership gives you a few more perks, and your profile will appear higher up than standard members.
Their user base does not seem to be that large. Housesit Match ID checks all of their members when they sign up for the platform through a third-party partner, and that is included in the price of your membership. They also offer an option after you've registered to get a police background check that the member will have to pay for. It costs £33 for UK residents, and the price varies for different nationalities.
Bonus! Caretaker Gazette. Caretaker Gazette is very different from the rest of the house-sitting platforms. First and foremost, it's been around since 1983. Second, you have to pay to see any of the up-to-date listings on their website.
It costs $30 a year for the online edition, or you can pay $35 to have an actual physical copy of the Gazette sent to your home. What year is it? Listings are updated every 2 months. Caretaker Gazette is definitely different and worth checking out if you're looking for something more adventurous than just watching pets.
We've included links to all of these house-sitting platforms in the description box below so you can check them out for yourself. Our top recommendation for house-sitting websites is definitely Trusted Housesitters. We made a full review of Trusted Housesitters, the good and the bad, so you can check that out right here.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you there.
Bye.